Okay, installing the mag release. So we've got the catch, the spring, and the button. Very, very simple process. You're going to take the catch, put it in, put a finger over it, flip it. Take your spring, put your spring on, grab the button. Now all you gotta do is get you on one or two of those threads and you'll see it's in there. And then what I do is I push it through as far in as you can. Clockwise, spin this guy around a little bit here. And put her in. Voila! One mag release installed. Hit the subscribe button. That'd be great. Help us out. Small veteran-owned company. And you know, if you hit that bell, you'll know when the next video comes out.